One of my favorite ways to use ripe mangoes is by turning them into these frozen mango lassi bites. They are creamy, refreshing, dipped in dark chocolate, and they are surprisingly easy to make. I'm starting with 2 ripe mangoes. The sweeter and more fragrant they are, the better these will taste. Slice the cheeks away from the pit, score the flesh into cubes, then scoop everything. The creamy mango center, crisp chocolate shell, and little crunch from the pistachios make every bite so satisfying. Now add the chopped mango chunks, Greek yogurt, your choice of coconut cream, cashew cream, or regular milk cream, along with your favorite sweetener. I like using maple syrup, but honey, agave, or another sweetener all work beautifully. Finish with a little ground cardamom. That's what gives these classic mango lassi flavor. Blend everything until it's smooth, thick, and creamy. You are looking for a texture that's closer to mousse than a drink, so the bites freeze beautifully with a rich, creamy texture. You can use silicone ice cube molds or silicone muffin cups. Pour the mixture into silicone muffin cups or silicone ice cube molds. I love using silicone because it makes removing the frozen bites so much easier later. Freeze until they are completely firm. While they are freezing, melt the dark chocolate in short bursts in the microwave. Keep stirring after each one until it's smooth and glossy. Taking your time here helps keep the chocolate silky and easy to dip. I'm using 75% dark chocolate here. You can also use 50% dark chocolate or 84% dark chocolate, or even use 90% dark chocolate if you don't mind bitter taste. Once the bites are frozen solid, gently pop them out of the molds. They should come out nice and clean without sticking. Now comes the fun part. Dip the first bite halfway into the melted chocolate and let the extra drip away. Because the filling is frozen, the chocolate starts setting almost straight away, giving you that crisp shell around the creamy mango center. Finish with chopped pistachios, dried rose petals, and a drizzle of sugar-free white chocolate. They are all completely optional, but they add a beautiful color and texture, which makes these perfect for parties, celebrations, or any time you want a dessert that looks like it came from a beautiful dessert cafe. If you like, finish with a little edible golden glitter. And that's it. I'll do one more so you can see just how easy it is. And they are ready to enjoy. Keep them frozen until you're ready to serve. And they are a perfect treat on a warm day or any day you're craving mangoes. If you enjoyed this recipe, I would really appreciate if you gave this video a thumbs up and shared it with someone who loves mango desserts. Every like and every share helps my channel more than you know. And if you're new here, I love to have you subscribe to my Ginger Garlic Kitchen channel for more easy, delicious recipes every week. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. See you next time.